Hello, welcome back. In our last lecture, we learned what is the scope of our test. So right now, I'm just interested in testing these 10 test cases. And these 10 test cases are coming from different areas of Moodle and different areas of Moodle. For example, in TC001, in this side, you will see what is the action that you need to perform. And here you will see what is the results that you expect. And here are some more details, what the data that you want to enter and so on. Alright, so this is basically called our test case. So this is our test case document. So we have learned already Selenium, and we also learned different frameworks like data driven frameworks, keyword driven frameworks, and also there are a lot of other things, other frameworks are there like JUnit, TestNG that can basically help, that can help you to write reusable test cases. Since we have spent our time in developing our keyword driven framework, so why don't you take that keyword driven framework that we have developed while building the travel search application and reuse that thing so that we can run these test cases. Alright, and remember that in keyword driven framework we are developing a Excel file where, so we are giving the test cases like this, and then we are creating a keyword for that. For the keyword we have an corresponding functions available in our Java platform. Then we are finding the identification strategy, ID string, and then extra parameters. So what we are going to do, the approach for us in this case, we are going to develop we are going to enhance that keyword driven framework so that we can run the steps using that keyword driven framework. Okay, and then that means whatever is given here in test case document, these things needs to be enhanced to a keyword file. Okay, so that means, for example, enter the following data and registration form. Okay, so whenever saying that following data is registration form, we are doing multiple steps. We are entering the user, you are entering the password, email address, first name, last name. So what is our expectation here is that step, this step can be exploded to 4 to 5 steps on the keyword driven XLS. Alright, and we are going to run this Java program that will drive the test. Even though there is JUnit and TestNG, we are not going to use it right now. Alright, in the later part of the course I may add a chapter on JUnit and TestNG, but right now all we need to do to automate all these 10 test cases is going to be keyword driven framework that we have developed before.